Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to MBA again. My name is Akash Shinde. In this video, we'll discuss about top B school that you should definitely apply as the catch is approaching to you. So initially मैं डिस्कस करूंगा MBA एग्जाम्स एग्जाम डेट क्या होगी रजिस्ट्रेशन फी क्या है पोस्ट दैट आई टॉक अबाउट व्हाट आर द बी स्कूल दैट यू शुड डेफिनेटली fill out before CAT, right? Now when it comes to the main exam of the season, which is CAT, exam date around last week of November hoti hai this year. This would be last 20th of November. Colleges which are accepted by CAT are all IIMs, private as well as public B schools. Registration fee is around 2,500 to 300 3,000 rupees. When it comes to ZAT, the exam date is 5th of January. Every year 5th to 6th January के आसपास होता है यानी the B school which are accepted by ZAT are XRI, XIMB, IMT Ghaziabad, JIM Goa. Now, the third exam of the season is SNAP examination, where I scored 99 percentile three times. Fees is around 2250. Three attempts are allowed. You can fill the colleges. There are almost 16 B schools under SNAP. The exam dates are 8, 15 to 21st December, and the B school which accept SNAP are SIBM Pune, SMHRD, SIB, SIBM Bengaluru, SIDT, SIM Nashik. The fourth exam of the season, I would say first exam of the season, that is NMAT. Fees is around 2800 plus taxes. Exam date is, yeah, you will be having three attempts. First attempt that would be considered by NMMS Mumbai, and second and third attempt would be considered by other B schools such as NMMS Indore, NMMS Hyderabad, Bangalore, KJ Somaiya, SBJMR for their PGMPW. And the exam date lies in between 5th November to 20 December. आपको पोर्टल पे जाके चूज करना पड़ेगा. Next exam, CMAT. If you wanted to get into JBMS, KJ Somaiya, as well as NIN, NIBM, then CMAT is one of the best exam. It is approved by AICT. It happens around third to fourth week of May. Fees is quite low, I would say, as compared to other exams. Next exam in the picture is MAT. The fees is around 2100. You'll be having three attempts: CBT1, PBT1, CBT2. First attempt that happened last year around 7 December. Second attempt is 14 December. Third one would be 22 December. And AMIT, CRIES, जो भी टायर 3 B school है, BIM2, that B schools will definitely take MAT. When it comes to next exam, IBSAT, the fees is around 1800 and exam dates are 28th to 29th December. Now, एक क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में आता है कि विच आर द कॉलेजेस दैट दे शुड टारगेट. गाइज अभी आप मॉक देते होगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दो स्टूडेंट हु हैव जॉइन नीडली द चैनल, प्लीज डू लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. एंड अभी आप मॉक देना चालू कर दो. दिस इज द राइट टाइम टू गो फॉर मॉक. यू नीड टू राइट ऑलमोस्ट 20 मॉक्स, मिनिमम 20 मॉक देके जाओ. देर इज वन कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल जो चार पांच मॉक देके दे क्रैक 99 परसेंटाइल, बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट देयर बैकग्राउंड. आपका बैकग्राउंड IIT NIT नहीं है. इफ यू आर फ्रॉम average background just like me, you need to write as many mocks as possible. For mocks you can go through SimCAT, you can go through career launcher. क्रैको का भी मॉक्स आप प्रेफर कर सकते हो. व्हेन इट कम्स टू कैट, व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्नैप, go through mock zone, go through MBA CT, MBA Pathshala. The mocks are quite good. For that I followed Elite Grid, so it was quite easy for me. But there are some YouTube channels such as Ananta Chajjar, along with that Priyasha ma'am from XLRI Jamshedpur Alam. You can follow her. She'll definitely want to help you to crack the college. Now, अभी आपका स्कोर 95 टू 100, 90 टू 95, 85 टू 90, 80 टू 85 या 70 टू 80 ऐसे आ रहा है. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द परसेंटाइल, राइट? अभी क्या होता है, यू वोंट गेट द एक्यूरेट परसेंटाइल बिकॉज let's say you are writing a IMS mock, so you'll be competing with this 10,000 to 15,000 people. But when you come to CAT, you are competing with almost 3.5 3.5 lakh people. So you need to understand what is the level of toughness. Post that forms that to be filled before CAT. FMS Delhi and MDI Gurga, you should definitely fill the form. For MDI, the fees is around 3,000 rupees for the form. And the forms that to be filled after CAT before result is SPJ and Delhi University. Delhi University के Delhi School of Economics, DBE, DSE. So ये तीन colleges जो है, you need to fill the form. Why you should go for Delhi University B schools? Because fees is very low, almost 2 लाख से 6 लाख तक फी जा हो जाता है बी स्कूल्स का. एंड यू विल गेट अ अवरेज पैकेज अराउंड 13 to 14 LPA. So ROI wise, the B school which are present in Nilli University are far better. Next one is SP Jain. SP Jain Institute of Management is a private B school which is quite good when it comes to MBA. You should definitely look a part on it. Now forms to be filled out after CAT and after results. अभी CAT का आपका result 2 years ago that result used to come around 30 to 35 days. Now within one day you are getting the answer sheet, and within 5 to 10 days you are going to understand that you got how much percentile just by seeing that answer sheet. तो आपको IIMs, IITs, Great Lakes, IMI Delhi, LBSIM, these are the five, Jim Goa, these are the 6 to 7 B school which are present there. So apply to these B schools through CAT as well as ZAT, SNAP, and MAT. Now these are again new B schools which get filled out before CAT. SP Jain, MDI Gurgaon, IMT Ghaziabad, IMI Delhi, IFT Delhi, MICA Ahmedabad. So I think you should definitely put a slide on it, put a light on it, and you should fill the form because these are the prominent. Now, when it comes to CMAT examination, you should definitely fill form for JBIMS. You should fill form for KJ Somaya, Velinkar, Pumba, Great Lakes Institute of Management, Chennai. These are the premium B schools where packages range in between 12 lakhs to 18 lakh rupees, and it depends on your performance. When it comes to NMMS, you should fill form for NMAT Mumbai, NMMS Bangalore, ISB Hyderabad, ExamB. These are the premium B schools. The packages range in between 24 lakh rupees to 28 lakh rupees. Fees ranges in between 18 lakh to 32 lakh rupees. Again, all these colleges will be available only through NMAT. तो आपको NMAT form भरते time you need to fill out the colleges. Now Symbiosis Institute, SIBM Pune. Guys, whenever you are writing and whenever you are going through SNAP form, don't forget to fill at least 3 to 4 B schools. Most of the B लोग क्या करते हैं, SIBM Pune and SMHRD they fill out, but the ratio of getting into SIBM and SMHRD is very low. Almost 360 people will get a total seat in SIBM and SMHRD. So what about the remaining 1.48 lakh people, right? For these people, guys, go through SIB, SIBM Bangalore, as well as SIDTM and SIM Nashik. SIDTM is for the people who wanted to get into digital and telecommunication. SIM Nashik for the people who wanted to get into operation management. It is a premium B school and it is a quite decent B school. Now, when it comes to ZAT, guys, अगर आप ZAT दे रहे हो, which is one of the toughest exam, I would say little bit tougher than CAT. The B school which are offered by ZAT and accept by XIT are Exala Jamshedpur for their BM and HRM program, then Exam B Bhubaneswar, IMT Ghaziabad, TAPMI, Jim Goa. These are the 5 to 6 B school where the fees ranges in between 18 lakh rupees to 24 lakh rupees, and average package goes in between 16 to lakh rupees to 30 lakh rupees. So that's all about the B schools. You should definitely fill the form before CAT, and if you have any questions, please put it into chat box. All the best to you guys.